All right, we're in my garage. It looks pretty bright in here, but it's not. We only got one light. All the other ones have failed. So I got some new shop lights. It's the Just Sled, G Sled, Just LED, Just Focus, Just Lit. I'm gonna show you how to put them up, and I'm gonna review them. Let's go. What's in the box? Always the question, what's in the box? Pull one of these bad boys out. Pretty simple, pretty light. They weigh about nothing. So we're thinking screw here, screw there, there and there. On switch. Different settings. Might need a ladder, but let's put it up. All right, let's see. So the bracket is right there, and then on the other side, right there. Well, there we go. There's your hole. So, take a marker, put it up like this, and then we're gonna put it right there. Make sure you don't slide it. And right. Straight as an arrow. Right there. So now we got a couple lines. You can't even see my head. Take your screw. Little Phillips screw. Right on your line. Got the wrong size bit. Right there. What do we got here? Number one. It's number two Phillips bit. Now we're gonna go to our other line. Bada boom, bada bing, right there, I believe. Maybe. Can't see. It's GoPro. No, right there. Number two bit this time. A little better. Now we got both screws up there. Now we just gotta line them up in the holes. Right this way so we can plug it in. Piece of cake, right? Piece of cake. Let's see what we're doing. Whoa! This would be 20 times easier if I could see what I'm doing. In. Whoa! Whoa! There we go. Look at that. We got features too. You don't like that hospital light? Take it down to the warm. Looking pretty good. Yeah, we don't want daylight. That's terrible. We'll go there. Oh, turn up the brightness. Gee willikers, Batman. That's frickin' bright. I think these are solid. Easy install, probably easier if you had a ladder. But I mean, what else do you need? Shop lights, super bright. These pieces of junk didn't last at all. So go put the Jess sleds in your cart, do yourself a favor. Job done.